Strategic human resource management. Components of business model. A business model explains how a company creates value for customers profitably. It involves key financial concepts that determine business success. Fixed costs. It stays the same regardless of production level. For example, rent, salaries, utilities. Variable costs. It changes with production volume. For example, raw materials, direct labor. Contribution margins. It determines how much each unit contributes to covering fixed costs. Gross margin. It represents total earnings before deducting fixed costs. Profit. A business is profitable when gross margin exceeds fixed costs. Strategic management process and its linkage to HRM. Strategic management is a process to address competitive challenge and aligns goals, policies, and action plans. Businesses adopt generic strategies such as cost leadership, differentiation, or focus. The vendor, analyzer, prospector, or reactor approach. Strategic management as a process. Strategy formulation. Defining mission, goals, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Strategy implementation. Structuring the organization, allocating resources, and developing HR system to support strategy. The linkage between HRM and strategic management. HRM plays a crucial role in executing strategy through workforce planning, training, and alignment of HR practices. Role of HRM in strategy formulation and its linkage. HRM influence strategy by ensuring the workforce aligns with business needs. Also, can limit strategic options or provide insight to acquiring necessary human resource. Levels of HRM and strategic integration. Administrative linkage. In this, HRM focus on day-to-day tasks, one-way linkage. The strategy is set first and then HRM aligns with it. Two-way linkage. HRM is consulted in strategy formulation. Integrative linkage. HRM is deeply involved in both formulation and implementation. HRM role in strategy formulation. Mission statement. It defines the company's purpose, goals, medium to long-term objectives. External analysis. It identifies the opportunities and threats. Internal analysis. It assessing the strengths and the weaknesses. HRM must monitor workforce trend, labor markets, and government regulation. Strategy implementation and strategic type. Strategy implementation involves translating strategic plans into action. Successful implementation include organizational structure, task design, and HRM practices. Strategic type. Cost leadership. Focus on becoming the lowest cost producer. The practices is efficiency-driven training, performance management, and cost-saving incentive. Differentiation. The focus is offering unique products or services. The practices is innovation, creativity, and employee development. HRM practices for strategy implementation. Job design, recruitment, selection, training and development, performance management, reward system. HRM issues in directional strategies. Directional strategies define how an organization plans to grow or restructure. Concentration strategies focus on existing markets and products. Internal growth strategies focus on expansion, innovation, or joint ventures. External growth strategies focus on mergers, acquisitions, or diversification. Divestment strategies focus on downsizing or liquidation. Maximizing HRM strategic value. HRM must integrate with business goals for maximum impact. Environmental scanning. Analyze workforce trends and tech changes. Identify business issues. Address leadership gaps and skill. Developing HR strategy. Plan HR action based on the business needs. Communicating HR strategy. Align department with HR priorities. Evaluating HRM effectiveness. Audit approach. Assess HR outcome and employee satisfaction. Analytic approach. Measure return on investment of HR program. Improving HRM effectiveness. Restructuring, outsourcing, process redesign. The role of CHRO. Chief Human Resource Officer ensures HR aligns with business goals, focus on talent, leadership, and organizational development. The key responsibilities. Strategic advisor guides executives on HR issues. Talent architect manage workforce planning and succession. Executive coach supports leadership growth. Function leader ensures HR policies align with business needs. Board liaison handles executive compensation and succession planning. Workforce censor monitor employee engagement and morale. Firm representative act as the external face of the organization. Case: exercising strategy. Googling HR. Google's HR function, initially focused primarily on recruitment, underwent a transformation under the leadership of Laszlo Bock, who sought to create an innovative and data-driven people operations function. Unlike traditional HR leaders, Bock leveraged analytics to optimize Google's workforce, aligning HR strategies with business objectives. His approach emphasized data-based decision-making, workforce analytics, and managerial effectiveness. Some key initiatives include developing algorithms for retention, measure the impact of top performers, and use workplace analytics to improve collaboration. Buck's strategy demonstrated that HR can be a critical driver of business success, influencing Google's remarkable growth and productivity. Its leadership positioned that HR as a strategic function that provide valuable insight to management, ultimately reinforcing the credibility and effectiveness of HR at Google. Question 1. If you were Laszlo Bock, what would have you done to lead the people operations function at Google? If I were Laszlo Bock, I would continue and expand upon the data-driven HR approach while also emphasizing employee well-being and long-term career development. We can enhance predictive analytics for talent management to optimize hiring and retention. Strengthen the leadership development program to cultivate future managers within the Google. Implementing AI-driven HR tools to further personalize career growth for employees. Ensuring diversity and inclusion strategies, expanding the use of employee feedback mechanism to drive continuous improvement. Second question. Compare Laszlo Bock and the changes he made at Google to the 7 roles of the CHRO. Bock's leadership at Google aligns with this role. Strategic advisor. Align HR strategies with business goals using analytics. Counselor or coach. Provided data-driven insight for leadership decision. Talent architect. Focus on hiring top talent with predictive analytics. Leader of HR, modernized HR process and improve workforce efficiency. Liaison to board, advise leadership through data-based strategies. Workforce sensor, use workplace analytics to track performance and satisfaction. Firm representative, position Google HR as a global benchmark. Third question. What actions or changes has Laszlo Bock implemented at Google that illustrate HRM role in strategy formulation and implementation? Laszlo Bock implemented several key changes that illustrate HRM role in strategy formulation and execution. Workforce analytics. Use data to optimize hiring, retention, and collaboration. Manager effectiveness studies. Conduct research on whether managers are necessary and how to improve their impact. Retention algorithm. Identify employee at risk of leaving and proactively addressing concern. Collaboration. Leverage analytics to improve teamwork and cross-functional efficiency. HR credibility through data. Provide leadership with quantitative evidence rather than relying on subjective opinion. Conclusion. HR can maximize its value by aligning strategies with business objectives, addressing workforce challenges, and continuously improving efficiency. This involves scanning the environment, identifying strategic business issues, and developing HR strategy that support company goals. Evaluating HR effectiveness through audit and analytics ensure informed decision-making, while restructuring, outsourcing, and technology integration help streamline operations. By focusing on strategic contributions rather than just administrative tasks, HR can enhance its role as key driver in organizational success and long-term competitiveness.